Hi there, thanks for joining our webinar. My name's Chris and I'm here representing Pitman Training. In fact, I represent Pitman Training in a number of locations: Birmingham and Leicester, Nottingham, Sheffield, Cambridge and Cardiff. And on today's webinar, we're going to talk with you about working in the world of IT. And I say we, so who's with me? My colleague Gemma, she's our Senior Operations Manager, has joined today's webinar to give you all the information you need. Hi Gemma.
Hi everyone, it's great to be here today.
Thanks for joining us. And thank you all for joining us too. So Pitman Training are particularly well placed to help you to develop your career within the world of IT. So if you're somebody who's looking to become an IT professional or looking to advance your career within the IT sector, then you're certainly in the right place, and we hope that Pitman Training are the right partner for you in order to help you to do that. Pitman Training have spent years fine-tuning our IT technical education offering. We've had a look around the jobs market, we talk to employers, we see what skills are in demand, and we partner with organisations that help us to build a course or a diploma to help you to get what you need. So all of our diplomas provide what we call job ready skills. It's hands-on experiential learning where you'll build portfolios or where you'll tackle real life challenges or examples, where you answer questions and do interactive exercises to support your learning and, most importantly, knowledge retention. But in all of this, we offer flexibility. But we'll talk more about that as we go on. If you're interested in working in the world of IT, there are a number of different career options or different ways that you may wish to take your career. And I thought maybe up front in this webinar, we could talk about what's in it for you. We could have a look at what sort of roles exist and what sort of skills or knowledge is required in order to get those roles. So the first thing I'll tell you is that we partner with an organisation named CompTIA. Now CompTIA are the world leader in terms of IT technical qualifications, if that makes sense. In order to progress in the world of IT, a CompTIA qualification is a must. Those people that do have a CompTIA qualification do progress quicker in their chosen roles and are 50% more likely to be promoted within a year than those people without that qualification. And with Pitman Training and CompTIA, you can be assured of a great partner. But let's have a look at the sort of roles that are available and the sort of qualifications that we have in order to help you. So Gemma, can you tell us more about what's available for people wanting to work in the world of IT?
So I'm going to share my screen and show you some job opportunities that are available live now for you to apply for. So as you can see, there's jobs out there for data analysts, network support engineer, IT technicians, and these are available to apply for now, and you can see the wages on screen. So these jobs are asking for you to be CompTIA qualified. They want you to have knowledge in hardware and software. They want you to have specific training in specific programs such as SQL and Python. Now, our diplomas are designed around the job adverts just like this, so that you get everything you need to be able to go forward and apply for those jobs. So an example of some of the diplomas we do in our IT section is IT support technician, network support engineer, cloud support engineer, and data analyst. You are also able to go a bit more and do an advanced level in those as well. And all of those packages are designed to help you go forward and be able to apply and get that job.
So Gemma, thank you very much for that overview of what's available in the jobs market and of course in terms of the training that we offer. But there's lots more to find out, and of course we'll be interested in having a conversation with you should you want to discover more after this webinar. In terms of how our training works, that's a question many people ask, and we believe we've got a great solution to help guide people through their learning. I already talked about the experiential learning side of things, but perhaps Gemma, you could give us a little bit more detail on what students should expect.
Yeah, so our studies are flexible learning. So we've got centres that you can physically come into to do your studies, or you can study online, or you can do flexi study where you do a bit of both of those. When you're working through your courses, you'll have full support. You'll have a dedicated learning coach who'll be there to support and guide you through your studies, giving you motivational tips, checking in with you regularly. They're there for you to go to. You will also have access to what we call instructor support. So you'll have trained IT technicians that you'll be able to email, or even our 24/7 live chat for the more technical side and help that you will need. You'll take part in projects and assignments that will be marked by these instructors, and you'll be able to get feedback. And as I said, you will get a study plan and be fully supported throughout all of this by your dedicated learning coach.
And when you're reaching the end of your study, the goal for many people, as it may well be for you, is a new job or a promotion. That's where Pitman really come into its own. We're great at helping people. If I do say so myself, we are great at helping people into new roles. And what we will do is we will assign you a jobs coach. And that person will work with you on your CV, on your covering letter, on your job search. We'll have a look at what the live market is looking for. And we'll tailor your approaches to these companies and work with you to help you to win these roles. We've got dedicated professionals in our business that can support you and work with you through that. So people like Glenn in Cardiff, who will sit with people and go through their CVs and give them feedback. Or it might be that you would rather have a video review of your CV and we can send you some feedback and some tips and some ideas for it. But there are loads of different ways to help and support you. Not to mention those organisations that we already have contact with and who already contact us in order to ask for successful students or students who are reaching the end of their studies for roles that they are recruiting for. So the help doesn't cease when the training finishes. We want to help you to succeed into your new role. And indeed, success for you is what success for us looks like, i.e. when you achieve your goal. So, but don't just take my word for it. We have lots of student successes, lots of great examples of people we've worked with over the years who've gone on to achieve great things and work in a career of their dreams as a result of working with Pitman or training with Pitman. You should read our reviews on Google. I'll put a link on the screen now, but do go check them out independently. Have a look at what our students say. But we've got a couple of stories to share with you as well. So why don't you have a listen to what Gemma can tell you about one of our recent students.
So one of our recent students, his name was Hamdo, and he studied at our Pitman Training Sheffield Centre. He was working in a warehouse, and one of the pathways he saw within that warehouse to get himself promoted, he wanted to stay within that company, was to go down the IT route, and he wanted to work in the IT department. So he came to Pitman Training, he signed up for an advanced IT support technician diploma. Now at first it was a challenge for Hamdo. He had no background in IT at all, and that's the good thing about our courses is they start right from the very beginning. They're designed with you having no background in IT and will work you from the beginning all the way up to that level or the advanced level if that's the diploma that you choose. Hamdo studied this. He did a mix of training, so he did come into centre occasionally, but he did do a lot online and he had regular check-ins with his learning coach, and also he sought help from the instructor support that's available to help him for any challenges that he came across. We then passed him on to our careers team that Chris was talking about, and we helped him prepare his CV, helped him look for jobs, completed a mock interview with him, and he's gone ahead and actually got a promotion, a job as an IT support technician within his company. So it was a great success all round.
Thanks, Gemma. Do you know, another way we celebrate our students' success with them is to have graduations. So if you check out our social media pages, you'll see pictures of students celebrating their achievements when it comes to their course or qualifications. And we'd love to do that with you too. It really makes a difference. You know, celebrating success is really important and we want to help you with your success. We perhaps have another example, Gemma, of another student whose success we've been able to celebrate with them.
Yep, so we also had Leon Joseph, who has very recently graduated, if you check it out on our social media page. He also took part in an IT support technician diploma, and again followed through with the full support, and he is now going on currently applying for jobs, and we are helping him with that. He has a few interviews lined up and we are assured that he will be able to go on and get that job.
Thanks, Gemma. So be like Hamdo or be like Leon, or indeed one of the other many students that we work with at Pitman. But in order to do that, you need to find out a little bit more. I'm not asking you to make any decisions today. All I need you to do is to think, is this something that I'd be interested in knowing more about? And if you are interested in knowing more, our contact details are on the screen now. But Gemma, what would happen if somebody inquired to us? What would we do?
Okay, so you can send your inquiry through email or by giving us a call, and we'll set you up with a free consultation with one of our trained course advisors who advise you on the best diploma for you to take for the pathway that you're wanting to head to. We're then going to set you up on a free demo appointment, with one of our learning coaches, where you can have a look at our studies, the training materials, the online platform. We can discuss the support that you're going to receive, and you'll be able to see an example study plan. Then if you go ahead and enrol with us, we will secure you that dedicated learning coach who will book you an induction when you would like and when you are available and as fast as you want to get in, and then we can start your studies.
That's great. Thank you very much, Gem. So as you can see, Pitman Training are very well placed to help you. We've lots of success with lots of students over the years. We partner with the right organisations to make a difference in your career. Qualified students get on in their careers further and faster than non-qualified students, and we have a range of options which are ready with job-ready skills based on what we have discovered from employers in the marketplace. We offer flexible learning, as you know, and we offer lots of support, and our goal is to help you to succeed. So if you want to know more, then please do reach out to us today. Now, as we've been talking, a couple of questions have come in. So let me take a moment to see how we can answer those. We have a question here from Alison, and Alison asked about the flexibility and particularly the support around the training that she will receive. So for example, I don't know if Alison works unusual hours, so how will she be supported while studying flexibly? Gem.
Okay, so it is flexible learning, so you do have the option to come in centre as and when you would like to within our opening hours, and you do have the option to study online. The online platform is available 24/7, and for the IT courses there is live 24/7 tutor support from the IT technicians to be able to help you. You'll then also receive support from your learning coach, who will be there and available for phone calls, emails, in-centre or video appointments within our opening hours, and we'll always aim to get back to you as soon as possible.
So I think the thing is, the help and support is there when you want it, and we will respond to you just as quickly as we can anytime you need help. Another question is coming around investment. So how much do your courses cost is what Brad is asking us. So Brad, there's a range of price points, I suppose, investment levels for our courses. It really depends on what you do. If they're at your start of your journey, doing something like an IT support technician diploma with CompTIA, then that's at a particular level. And then if you move through and do something more advanced, of course, it's different. But some people may choose to do a single course or just a couple of courses. One thing I would say to anybody who's interested is have a conversation with us, because we will put together a tailor-made package for you to help you to get from where you are to where you want to be. There's not one fixed solution for everybody, and so let's have a conversation about that, and let's find ways to make it affordable for you so that you can invest in your future. And we have a final question here. Jenny's asking, when could I start if I wanted to? It's a simple one, Jenny. You can start whenever you want to. Start on demand. All right. So I think that's it. If we didn't get to any questions today, then drop us an email and we'll answer them as quickly as we can. Do reach out to us for more information if you want it. And thank you very much for joining us today.